Good morning. Uh, Today we are going to see about the algorithm topic. Okay, so our first unit is introduction about design and analysis of algorithm, and algorithm introduction is our first unit. Okay, so first of all, what is algorithm? Okay, so algorithm is a writing procedure to solve a particular program. Okay, a problem. Okay, so problem is to solve on problem we need a solution, right? So for that solution we have step by step procedure. So that procedure in systematic format is called as algorithm. Okay. So in algorithm, we have to write the procedure in a step by step manner, and we have to follow that procedure in that particular step by step manner. Okay. So it is a top down approach. So in an algorithm, the important contents to be present are input, and what are all the steps to be followed, and finally the output. Okay, so first need is what is the input for the particular problem. Okay, so if you have some problem in the sense, first of all we have to consider what the input data we need to consolidate. Okay, so for the main first thing to write an algorithm is input content. Okay, continue finally by processing the given input what output we can get. Okay, so that is the main objective of solving problem. Okay, so while solving a problem we definitely need to give some solution. Okay, some result, so that is known as output. So these are all the main contents have to be present while writing an algorithm. Okay, so next is analysis of a algorithm. Okay, so first we designed an algorithm, right? So we have seen what is algorithm and how can we design an algorithm. The next important part is analysis of algorithm. Okay, how can we analyze an algorithm, and why do we need to analyze an algorithm? Okay, so this is the basic need to analyze an algorithm is whether the given algorithm is suitable for the particular problem or not. Okay, so there are lots and lots of problems to solve in the systematic manner. Okay, we have number of calculations to solve. Okay, so for the particular different types of problem, we have different types of algorithm. Okay, yeah? So for that, which algorithm is suitable for the particular problem, that should be analyzed by using this analysis of algorithm part. Okay, so for that analysis part, we have number of basic properties to analyze the particular algorithm for the corresponding problem. Okay, so based keywords, so best keywords to analyze the algorithm, or else the parameters used to analyze the algorithm is memory unit and the computer time. Okay, so these are all the two basic parameters to find out the capacity of the algorithm. Okay, so whether it is suitable for the particular problem or not. So while considering a problem, so for example, we'll take the problem like sorting. Okay, so we have to arrange the given n number of contents in a ascending order. Okay, so we have the 100 numbers. Okay, yeah? So we have to arrange that given 100 numbers in ascending order. So sorting process. So if we need to sort 100 elements in an ascending order, in the sense, we need to occupy the memory first. Okay. So the memory occupation should be very low. At the same time, the time to run the particular problem should also be very low. Okay. So these are all the main two parameters to test the or analyze the algorithm. Okay, so for that, we have to create an algorithm based on these two parameters. Okay, so the time efficiency should be more important. Okay, and next one is memory. Okay, space efficiency. Okay, so these two elements are more important. So that is keywords coded as words and cycles. Okay, so number of elements stored in the memory, that should be considerable. Okay, yeah? So while when we do a problem, if we are having we are using low memory, okay, some sort of minimum memory space, in the sense it is somewhat good. Okay, so if we use the lots of memory space, in the sense it occupies the number of time, okay, number of memory spaces, and also it is the processing time is also very high. Okay, so for that we have to provide the a minimum space and the minimum time requirement. Okay, so these two parameters are the main basic characters for the algorithm analysis part. Okay, so next important thing is correctness, that means the accuracy. Okay, so when we are solving the problem, we have to produce the result almost in 100 percentage correctly. Okay, so the accuracy should be 100 percentage. Okay, so maximum output should be correct, in the format of correct output should be produced. So regarding based on these elements, we have to create the algorithm. Okay, so this is a simple algorithm to find out the largest number. Okay, so among the given numbers, so first thing we have to remember is what are all the inputs we need. Okay, so first input is a of n. So given in n number of inputs are occupied the memory space a. Okay, so the is given n number is stored in the array a. Okay, so next is output. What will be the output? So from the given n inputs, the largest number is chosen and it should be represented as output. Okay, so this is the procedure. So these are all the contents we need to think first. So what is the input and what is the output? So next, how can we solve the problem? So that should be written in the format of pseudocode. Okay, so this is the algorithm. So first, what and one more thing you have to remember is algorithm is not a coding. Okay, it is just a procedure. It couldn't able to algorithm should not able to execute. Okay, yeah? So this is the most important thing you have to remember once. So first point of this algorithm is finding the largest one. So given n, from the given n number, we have to split that numbers and first find out the first number. Okay, so we have to follow one make on loop. Okay, so iterations to complete the each and every number. Okay, so first one we are getting the first number, so j, that tends to comparing with the two numbers, and if one among the two numbers, if one is larger, we have to replace the memory. Okay, replace the destination, replace the spaces. Okay, so places, so by replacing the places within the two numbers, we are saving the memory space here. Okay, so if we are putting the same number in the different memory location, in the sense it occupies the more number of memory space. Okay, so this is the basic concept behind the usage of memory space. So replacing the content or the elements in the same array will consume the will reduce the consumption of memory space. Okay, so by this we have to find the find the largest element in the given n number. Okay, so this is the simple algorithm. Okay, so from the next topic we will see in the next class.